right across this down here at the Riverwalk. See if I can get that zoomed in so y'all can see. This whole area where I'm standing here is along the riverfront. There were boat building places, there was breweries, and tons of lumber mills back in the day. And this says 109 or more sawmills linked to the banks of the Saginaw River from the mouth of the river through the city of Saginaw during the lumbering era of 1850 through 1898. The picture shows sawmills on the east side of the river. This site is where Carpenter and Company / Cincinnati Mills was located. Former lumber mill partners Carpenter and Whedon built their own wooden barrels to create the salt products they manufactured. The Bay Area's natural resources held strong during the company's 1879 through 1896 duration. Sorry about that. Let's see if I can get it in close here. That's pretty much what it was like. Much love from Michigan, y'all.